So guys, we have our footage on the timeline. Now suppose around 10 seconds we want to freeze this footage. For that, move the playhead to 10 seconds, then go to File, Export, Frame, then save the frame. Let's name it freeze frame. Save it. Now split the footage by clicking on this icon or press on S. Then give it some space, left click, drag. Now click on Resend. Then go to right side. As you can see, we have our file here. Double click, freeze frame. Now from the preview window, left click, drag and drop to the timeline. Right click, ripple delete. See, now we have our freeze frame. Let me show you the preview. See, freeze frame. Now to control the duration of the freeze frame, enable ripple, then left click on the edge of the clip and drag it to control the duration. So guys, that's how easily we can freeze frame in Shotcut. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.